Have you ever found yourself slouched over your desk? Or maybe noticed that your shoulders are perpetually hunched? Well, you're not alone. Poor posture is not just about appearances. It can have a real impact on your health. If you've been experiencing back pain, headaches, or even digestive issues, your posture might be to blame. But don't worry. In today's video, we've got something special for you. 4 easy exercises that you can do anywhere to transform your posture and improve your overall health. For the first stretch, put yourself in the position shown. Then, move forward, reversing your hip position. Roll to the front of your toes, as shown. Come back to the starting position. For the second exercise, lay face down on the floor, arching your back with arms up, as shown. Then, extend your arms forward while bringing your upper body and head to the floor. Most people are familiar with planks, tried and true and easy to do. The key is to keep your back straight. Neck tilts. Gently tilt your head from side to side using your hands as guides. So there you have it. 4 easy exercises that can be done anywhere, anytime, to transform your posture and enhance your overall health. If you found this video helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
How would you like to level up your wellness? Click on the link in the description below to find out how you can be the best version of yourself.